Probably could recycle that. All right, good morning guys. Day 24. I figured let's get the wide angle out for this awesome mountain behind us, which I think we're gonna go hike around. I've been talking about a hike the last 5 videos and haven't even started one. So let's get it. It's perfect temperature out. The clouds are coming through. It looks like it's gonna rain. I'm loving this weather. I'm loving these videos. I'm loving the comments. You guys are really hyping me up, man. So thank you guys. And speaking of hype, hit the hype button, man. It's free. Thumbs up's free as well. Let's get it. You know, when you start a new project or you start a new job or you start a new routine, the first week, the first 2 weeks, that's the hardest, right? Then you get into this flow area where like it basically becomes second nature and like a habit to make videos, to go to this new job, to do this new thing you're doing. It's easy, guys. This is easy now for me to record videos. And yeah, being creative, that's the hard part though, you know, but I'm gonna try to keep it entertaining in between the door dashing and everything. So we're gonna get a hike this morning and then probably skate for a bit and then probably DoorDash for a bit. You guys know the drill. I love all y'all. Thank y'all for watching and hyping me up, man. We went from like 100-something views per video. Now we're almost at 1,000. So let's get it, baby. Woo! All right, we just found the lot here. Well, it's not even a lot, it's more like a church that I guess you can do trailhead parking here. So let's get it, man. We're gonna go do this little hike. We're gonna grab our keys, our phone, our Insta360 without the camera because it's on my head. I always freak out when I see this sometimes. I'm just like, what the heck? But this camera is so sick, guys, and I do have the link in the description. This is the best vlogging camera I think you can get. You can use it as an action camera, you can use it as a vlogging camera, you can use it for POV shots, mounted on the car anywhere. Also has a little flip screen, so you can flip up that screen like that and you can see yourself or see your shot better. All right, I think we're dialed. Let's get it. Man, those Best Day Brewing NA beers, guys, are the best ones. This hike, I haven't really done any research on it. I know we have to walk this bike path for quite a while. I'm gonna do Mount Royal, which is 1,125 feet of a climb, 1.2 miles of a distance. It's a black rated trail just right outside the town of Frisco here. Let's get it, man. This looks like the perfect hike. All right, taking a little pit stop here, taking the shirt off already. We're already drenched in sweat on the shirt. And so far it's been a pretty good climb. We're not even at the main trail yet though. So I'm sipping on a little bit of water and then we're gonna get trekking on the main trail. All right, it's finally getting a little steep out here. We just had a deer run across the trail. That's pretty cool. It's only 1,200 feet elevation gain, but we're already at like 9,500 feet elevation. So there's that. Let's go. We're really out here now. I think we're gonna get up to almost 12,000 feet. And I only brought 1 bottle of water. Didn't bring any food. I didn't expect it to be this hard either. And also, I just saw a lady with a dog, like hiking up here casually like it's her just morning routine. I love Colorado. People get after it out here. All right, we're about halfway there now. And I think we made it past kind of the hard part. I definitely should have brought some of those Cliff cookies and cream bites. I'm gonna be killing like 3 packs of those when I get back to the car. Oh, this is so much fun actually, guys. I need to get out and hike more. It's super rewarding. Turn on that wide angle and get that selfie stick out for this shot, guys. We're kind of at the top of the summit here. Not the summit, but we're on this huge, what do you call this, a ridge? Dude, this is epic. This is what I wanted to do, is come out somewhere pretty sick. I think there's a lot of rock climbing out here too, which is cool. But yeah, we're almost to the viewpoint, but this is all just a viewpoint here. Dude, what the heck? Yo. Dude. Yes, man, this is so sick. Woo! 10-mile range. That's all these mountains over here. Dang, dude. And who says hiking is boring, you know? Hiking can be so sick. Did I say that? I don't think I've ever said hiking's boring, but maybe. Dude. All right, let's see what happens when we get to the other spot up here. All right, well, I kept walking down, and I guess it just kind of takes you down over where that big boulder is, and I guess you can get to the top of that. So that would be a nice view of Frisco, but I'm not really feeling like doing all that today, because then I gotta hike back up and hike all the way back down. This is the real money shot, I think, over here. Looking at the 70, you got Copper Mountain that way, 10-mile range. You got Frisco over here. Silverthorn way yonder. I don't know what mountains those are, but yeah, you know, get out there and hike, guys. It's definitely worth it. And this is why I love this lifestyle so much, is I'm always able to do this kind of stuff because I'm already outside. You know, when you're in the confines of your house all the time, it's almost more effort to leave and go for a hike than it is if you're on the road. So another benefit, man, another benefit. So let's go, man. I'm so hyped I did this and was able to bring you guys along. This camera is so good. So now we're just gonna hike back and eat some cookies and cream Cliff Bars. It's gonna be a little bit of a long hike back, so I better get trucking here. Let's get it. All right, while we're still up here on the range, there was something that just crossed my mind that I wanted to talk about real quick. It's hard to explain what I'm trying to say, but I think me personally, I've always wanted to be an entrepreneur, but not in the way of like, oh, I'm selling a bunch of stuff. I just wanted to do my own thing, you know, and I think maybe that can resonate with a lot of people. And let me tell you, just even 30 days now, not having a job and, you know, but I'm trying to do my own thing, it feels so good. And I feel after a day of even adding DoorDash into the mix there, I feel so energized after a day where after my 9 to 5 and my commute, I am so drained. I don't want to talk to anybody. I hate everybody. I hate everything. You know, that's just not a way to live. And it's because you get so stuck in a trap. Like I was at the job for 5 years and I felt so much fear leaving because I felt comfortable and safe there. I felt safe. I was about to leave my safety bubble. And you got to just do it, guys. If you have that inside of you that you're like, I really hate this, I despise this, I need to change my life, I need to quit. But you have to replace that with your own thing. You can't just go throughout life not having money and not having ambition and not having, you know, goals. You have to have goals, but make them your own personal goals and try to monetize them. Thank God we have the internet, we have YouTube. You know, let everybody win. That's the thing on YouTube, the power of YouTube, man. You know, I'm not making much now, but I can see the results of just going for almost a month straight of daily videos, and it pays off, dude. So let's get off this mountain. Let's get back to civilization, why don't we? Yeah, that was a pretty good hike here. We made it to the bottom again, and we went up there. Somewhere on the other side of that mountain. Holy cow, what a hike, guys. I am absolutely destroyed after that. I haven't actually done a hike like that in probably a year or more. In Sedona, I would hike Thunder Mountain. I've done some like hard hikes out there, but the elevation's so high here already. So now I'm gonna make some breakfast. It's late breakfast, it's almost 1 p.m., but we're gonna do it. You guys know the drill. We're gonna have an apple, we're gonna have some almond butter, we're gonna have some honey, and we're gonna drink more water. That's the plan. We're gonna have to fill up water again soon. I think I'm finally discovering some of the places to be posted up. This is one of the apples we got from Trader Joe's. Pink lady, cut this baby up. Oh dude, how could I forget? Am I forgetting the most important meal of the day? Chocolate milk, bro? I mean, honestly, how dare I forget chocolate milk, dude? Dude. All right, so yeah, we're gonna eat this, guys. Enjoy this breakfast here, and then probably check out the lunch rush on DoorDash. What do you guys think about adding the little DoorDash clips into the videos? I'm thinking like 1 or 2, maybe 3 orders max of content. This isn't a DoorDash channel. All right, we turned that car around to get in the shade here, but here's the sun coming through again. But we finished up the edit almost, guys. We're like 75% done. I'm probably gonna definitely record some more today though. But I need another snack. We went hard on these candy belts yesterday. Sour strawberry belts, but what do we got, man? We should eat some fruit snacks for sure. So I think I'll have a couple fruit snacks. Have a bag of the energy Lights. All right, we're gonna see if we can just get a little mini session in, guys. I'm not expecting much, but the second I think about not skating for a day, I start to go a little crazy. All right, we're posted up here at the adventure park once again, and boy, do I see a sick WRX build right here. Man, this is just the absolute epitome, I think, of Subaru right here. Well, the Forester XT behind it's pretty nice too, but look at this thing, guys. Got the Method wheels on there. This is the best looking hatchback. Man, Subaru needs to bring it back. Let's go. All right, guys, we just went to Whole Foods and got a bag of the restaurant style best tortilla chips I think I've ever had. Yeah, so we were at the skate park and we weren't even gonna have a session, and then all of a sudden Ben showed up and we had a huge session. Once again, I did a front side 50-50, front shove it out, front side 50-50, front 180 out. 2 new tricks I've never been done on a day that I wasn't even in the mood to skate. And so that's just cool how life works like that sometimes. But yeah, we're gonna wrap it up here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this vlog. Like, comment, subscribe, leave a super thanks, become a member, hit the links in the description. I'll catch you guys later. Peace.